Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change or how to connect 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi on your laptop. Especially I'm using Windows 11 as my operating system. So let's get started. If you prefer 2.4 a gigahertz of your Wi-Fi, not a 5 gigahertz, you can do it by open the control panel. You can search by Explorer here. You can click the control panel, or you can type control panel here. After that, you can go to the network and sharing. This one, network and internet, and find your Wi-Fi connection here. Find your active networks and click change advanced sharing center or change adapter setting. Sorry, this one. So try to search your Wi-Fi connection, this one. You can right click, tap properties here. So you have to wait. This is the Wi-Fi properties. And tap or click configure. This one, sorry. This one. Sorry to wait. Preferred band, preferred 2.4 gigahertz band. So it's also make sure this is a dual band, or make sure this by default. Don't change anything here. Just make it auto. And also roaming aggressiveness, try to lowest. If your laptop near the router, try to low or medium to low. So leave everything by default. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.